Picture this. It's a busy weekday morning. The city is alive. Cars are honking. The pedestrians are rushing with coffee cups in their hands. Amidst all this movement, thousands of Uber rides are booked each day. But behind this daily hustle, Uber was facing a challenge: inefficiencies in their trip distributions, inconsistent booking trends, and gaps in their payment patterns. That's where I stepped in. Using Power BI, I made a dashboard to uncover these insights and help Uber optimize its operations. So, what did I actually uncover? Let's dive in and find out. So here's an overview of the entire dashboard, and this is the first page. Here you can see that I have used many visualization charts in order to visualize different KPIs. And yeah, so here's one slicer that I have created in order to switch between the values of total bookings, total booking value, and total trip distance in these donut charts. And here is a filter for choosing the date range, and here is a filter for choosing the city. Apart from that, there are three buttons here which will direct you to different actions, and here are the three page buttons which will take you to the different pages of this dashboard. So moving on to the next page, just a second. Yeah. So in this page again, my aim was to check the Uber bookings by the hours of the day and the weekdays also. So here I have made a heat map which shows the peak hours across the different days and the different hours of the day. And here's a bar chart for the same. And again, the slicer comes here for the total bookings by pickup time for this line chart, and here's the line chart for total bookings by the day name. So that's about this page, and here also I have the same filter of date and city, and then the last one is the details tab. Just a second. So yeah, this is basically an overview of the data set that I have used to make the dashboard. And here you can just filter by city, and you'll see all the records of that particular city. Like each record refers to one booking in the Uber app, so you can just refer to it with these filters, like just I did for the Queen City. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And yeah, so that was a quick glimpse of my Power BI dashboard. And now we are moving on to the most crucial part of the entire project, that is the key takeaways and the analysis part. In this portion, I have listed down all the insights and analysis that I have drawn from the dashboard, and I'll just take you through each one of them. So firstly, as you can see, the data was for the month of June only. So for the month of June, a total of 104,000 trips were booked, and the total distance covered in the month of June was 349,000 miles. That's quite a lot. And total booking value for this month was $1.55 million, and the average trip cost was around $15. Moving on, we can see that most trips happen during the daytime, that is 72%, and the rest trips happen in the nighttime. So this is a crucial insight according to me. And the next is the payment methods, and most people are preferring Uber Pay. 7% people are preferring Uber Pay, and a significant portion are still using cash. In today's day and age, people are still preferring cash. So that is a crucial insight. And yeah, so next we come to the pickup hotspot. That is the most frequent pickup point, which is Penn Station in this case in the month for the month of June. And next is the drop-off hotspot. That is the most frequent drop-off point, which is Upper East Side North for the month of June. So moving forward, talking about the vehicles which were preferred and booked by people. So we can see that Uber X is the most preferred and booked by most of the people. And next, moving on to the peak booking hours. So hours to 1800 hours. That is 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. This is the peak booking time for Uber for in the month of June. And yeah, so this is quite crucial for the allocation of drivers and to revise these pricing strategies during this time window. So using this insight, Uber can capitalize on it to enhance their profits by tweaking their plans a bit. And moving further, we can see that Sunday had the most number of trips, followed by Saturday. So that is most likely because of the weekend travel and people being involved in leisure activities. And next we move on to the heat map that we made. So from that it is quite clear that the midday of Saturday and Sunday are high density booking periods. So it can be concluded that the middle part of the day of the weekends are the most booked ones. So Uber can increase their prices in this timing so that they can capitalize on more profit. Yeah, and yeah, at the same time, Thursday and Friday saw very few bookings throughout the day. So yeah, Uber can revise the strategies to offer some discounts on these days, and so that people may book more Uber on these days. So yeah, so these are some insights that I have drawn from this dashboard. I hope you liked my analysis and my dashboard. If you want to view the full file, then I have linked my GitHub repository in the above description, and there is also a direct link of the the PBIX file. You can just click the link and view it over there. So that's it from my side. Please let me know how was my video and how was my project. It really means a lot. And just give me a short feedback in the comments. That will be quite valuable for me. And yeah, that's it. So until next time, guys, from Krish, see you later.